You've been sold a fantasy, a sugary feel-good lie that tells you money will just appear because you want it, just because you're motivated. You've scrolled, you've watched, and you've felt that tiny dopamine hit of inspiration, only to be left with nothing but an empty bank account. The truth is, your brain is wired for comfort. It's built to avoid the grind. But money isn't found in comfort, it's found in action. Here is the one law that governs every dollar you will ever earn. You get paid to solve a problem for someone else. Solve a big problem, you get big money. Solve a small problem, you get small money. That's it. That's the one law you can never break. So forget the motivational speeches. Let's talk about the exact blueprints to get paid, online and offline. The online arena, the skill-to-cash funnel. The fastest way to get your first dollar online is through freelancing. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a direct exchange of your skill for someone else's money. Graphic design, video editing, writing, programming, these are modern trades. You create a profile on sites like Upwork or Fiverr, you showcase your work, and you start pitching. The first client is brutal. You'll work for pennies, but once you land that first gig, once you get that first testimonial, it creates a domino effect. It snowballs. Then there's reselling. This is the thrill of the hunt. You find a product, you get it cheap, and you sell it for more. With dropshipping, you're a digital hunter, finding things to sell from a supplier. With flipping, you're a real-world scavenger, finding hidden gems at a garage sale or on Facebook Marketplace. Most people fail because they think the product matters. It doesn't. What matters is getting attention. The dopamine rush comes not from the product, but from the transaction itself. And then there's content creation. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, this is the ultimate test of discipline. You'll create videos, you'll post, and you'll post again. To crickets. For months, you'll question everything, but if you have the discipline to be consistent when nobody is watching, one video can change everything. You can go from earning nothing to suddenly earning thousands a month. It's the definition of delayed gratification, and the payoff is a massive life-changing surge. The offline world, the instant paycheck. You're ignoring the easiest money of all. It's right outside your door. The fastest way to get money if you're broke is through service work. This is trading your time for money by doing what others avoid. Cleaning, moving, gardening, walking dogs. You don't need a degree. You just need hustle. Post in local Facebook groups, hand out flyers, or knock on doors. You can make $100 today. The brutal truth, it's not glamorous, but it pays tomorrow. You can also do local flipping. This is the real-world version of reselling. Find cheap, used bikes or electronics. Clean them up, make them look new, and sell them for a profit. This isn't passive. You'll be driving, negotiating, haggling. But it's $100 here, $200 there, that adds up to real, tangible cash. Finally, you can build a small local business. Turn your skills into a service: photography, catering, or personal training. Build a social media page, offer a discounted price at first in exchange for testimonials, then raise your prices. The money is yours, not a boss's. The satisfaction is yours. The formula nobody wants to hear. You've seen the paths. Now understand the formula. Every single one of these paths will take 6 to 12 months to build into a consistent income. There are 3 phases. Learning, you're a student. You learn the skill, the system, the marketing. Grinding, you're a soldier. You put in the work with no guarantee of success. Scaling, you're a CEO. You hire people, automate tasks, and buy your time back. Most people quit in phase 1. They get bored, they get frustrated, they look for the next shiny object. If you quit in phase 1 or 2, you get nothing. If you survive, you'll never need a boss again. Your first $100 is pure effort. Your first $1,000 is skill and discipline. Your first $10,000 is systems and leverage. You don't need another motivational speech. You need a plan, a calendar, and 90 days of ruthless consistency. The perfect time is gone. What you have left is right now. And if you're serious about making a change, my next video breaks down the top 5 money skills that can make you $100 a day in 90 days or less, and how to learn them for free. Click it now, before you talk yourself out of it.